Let's look in on Tiffany, a business administration major with a marketing concentration from the small town of Jaffrey, New Hampshire. She's found a wealth of support within the Paul College of Business and Economics and plenty of connections to real-world hands-on experiences. Tiffany, tell us all about your time at UNH.
Thanks, Alex. Hey, everyone. In high school, college shopping was difficult for me because I couldn't do any tours or college visits. All I knew was I wanted to go into business. I had an image of myself working in a huge skyscraper. UNH went to the top of my list after I was admitted into the Paul Scholars Program for academically talented business students. This program is where I made my first friendships and even met my roommates. Since being at UNH, I have gotten involved all over campus. Last year, I got involved with the professional sales group. We're a fast-paced group of students working outside of the classroom to prepare for sales competitions that emulate the real business world. We compete at different companies, showcasing our skills, and many of us earn jobs just by networking at these events. One competition I participated in last year helped me get an internship with Amazon Web Services. I was able to move to Seattle last summer to work at Amazon's headquarters and experience what life would look like after graduation. Through groups like the Professional Sales Group, I am able to gain real-world experience that transfers straight into jobs. This university has helped me grow into who I am. I'm even on the university's social media team. I get to interview students all over campus, film events and sports games, and make funny videos. Working this role and learning from other students is the reason I have so much love for UNH. When I came to college, I had no idea how many things I would experience. UNH taught me what the real world looks like and prepared me for my future. I'm so excited for this next chapter. And that's all for me. Back to you, Alex.
We're excited for your next chapter too, Tiffany. Your work with the Professional Sales Group and as a social media content creator makes you a great example of how UNH prepares students in really practical ways for personal and professional success. We know you'll be sitting in that skyscraper very soon. Thanks again, Tiffany.